remember the days growing up and visiting pizzerias in Little Italy. Back then, they used to make fresh mozzarella cheese, but today, it's hard to find those authentic mom and pops pizzerias in the marketplace that make fresh in-house mozzarella cheese. But at Russo's, we're making it fresh from scratch, and you can tell the difference. So I grew up in an Italian kitchen making fresh mozzarella fresh at home. I remember my grandparents were making it in the kitchen, and I was only 8, 9 years old. So I kind of brought our family secret recipes into our restaurants today. You can use fresh mozzarella in many different Italian dishes. There's lots of recipes. I like the classic caprese salad, using fresh fine ripe tomatoes. You slice it, you add fresh basil and extra virgin olive oil. It's awesome. For me, it's all about quality. If you get store-bought mozzarella cheese, it's never going to taste as good as when you make it fresh in-house, right? But when you make it by hand, it has a totally different flavor, totally different texture. You know, and it has all natural ingredients. There's no preservatives, there's no additives. So when you serve it to your guests, customers can really taste the difference. When you add fresh mozzarella and fresh basil and extra virgin olive oil to a beautiful pie, it creates something truly magical. It's an honor to serve my favorite recipes in my restaurants. I love getting to share delicious Italian flavors that have been passed down in families for decades, and I hope to be serving them for many more years to come.